Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Pakistani Chapli Kebab. Let's get straight into it. So I'll be doing this recipe based on 500 grams of beef mince. Now you can use lamb mince or chicken mince if you like as well. So we'll set that to the side for now. And what I've got here is half a handful of fresh coriander and about a quarter handful of fresh mint. All we need to do with these is just chop it up. So we basically want something that looks like that. Now refrain from using a food processor because it almost liquefies it. We don't want that. So we'll add this straight to our beef. Next we'll bring across one red onion, slice through the middle, and we just want to finely dice this. And we'll add this straight to our beef mince as well. And next we'll bring across one medium-sized tomato, slice through the middle. And with our tomato, we just want to dice this as well. And try to get it fine as well. And this will go straight to our beef mince as well. Now to this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fresh crushed ginger, and finally 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. And finally we're going to crack in 1 whole egg. And all we're going to do is just mix this all together. Now take your time doing this because we want to mix it very well. So basically we want something that looks like this, which has been well combined. So what we're going to do is just cover this, put this into the fridge for about 10 minutes just so it chills, and then we'll get to cooking. So as for cooking these, what I'm going to do is just cook these in a frying pan like normal. Alternatively, you can grill these, you can do whatever you like. If you really want, you can even put them on skewers and cook it like that. So that really comes down up to you. So what we're going to do is just ball these and make them into patties. So what I've got here is a little bowl with some warm water. So we're going to dip our hand in that. And we're just going to get just a bit less than a handful of our mixture. And just in our palms like that, you just want to shape it into a large ball. And we're just going to apply some pressure to it like that. Almost like we're making a burger patty. But don't make it too thin. So you want something like that with that much thickness there. And then we'll just place that on some baking paper while we continue the rest. Now you can of course make these any shape you like too. You can even go something like this, make it a cylinder shape, like that. So it really comes down up to you. It's going to taste the same. So just into a large frying pan, we'll add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. So we'll do this in probably 2 batches. So slowly add your patties in. And we're just going to cook this at a medium to high heat. Don't go all the way high. Now in total this shouldn't take longer than about 5 minutes on each side to cook. And it's very important to get a charred colour on these, as that's what's unique about it. So once it starts to go brown along the sides like that, it's time to flip it over. And that's the type of charring we want. You don't want a light brown colour, it's got to be just a bit darker like that. So we'll cook it for another 5 minutes on this side. So after another 5 minutes on this side, these will be ready to serve. So we'll just take them off. Okay, and there we have it. I've just served it up with some fresh mint and some fresh red onions. But this goes perfectly on its own, if not just with some rice or bread, and of course some yogurt sauce. And that's all there is to it. That's how we make Pakistani Chapli Kebab. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.